Ah, Sprite. This is Wes S. taking you my secret lair. I'm going to show you how to make sweet feed. Or not sweet feed, fermented feed. Put your tongue back in your mouth. You stupid. Goats. Okay, we're back. You can see daylight come in. This is repurposed tin. Well, the wood's mostly not, but the tin's repurposed. Pallet floors and everything. Anyway, sweet feed. Not sweet feed, fermented feed. Here's your stages. That one ain't got nothing in it yet. I was going to do this before I stirred it. I already stirred it, so you can't tell. That one, wait, do that again. Do it again. I'm sorry, shake it a little bit. Everyone but the one I'm filming is going to bubble. Make bubbles. Anyway, first it gets real puffy. Looks like a cake almost. And you stir it, and then the water. See, I've got to add a little more water to this one, and a little more water to this one. It's part of the process. But anyway, they've got to float, or there's got to be a water over the top of it. Each one of these are, let's see, that's tomorrow morning's feed. Notice there's nothing really suspended in the water. That's tomorrow evening's feed. There's a couple of seeds still floating around. Day after tomorrow, breakfast. Day after tomorrow, supper. Bob. You just keep rotating it around. Hold on, let me get everything ready. These people do not sponsor me. I don't make anybody off this at all. That's what we feed the chickens. So ignore that. But that is alfalfa Timothy grass pellets. Not cute pellets. And then you got regular laying. I think that's a 16% protein. And then we've got some rolled oats. And then we've got scratch. Sometimes we add cracked corn to it. The last few times we got the cracked corn, it wasn't very cracked. There was a lot of whole kernels in it. So anyway, hold on. Be back. Now then, this is right out of gallon bucket, and this is just the way we do it to keep track of it. It's about a third of the alfalfa Timothy, and about a third rolled oats, and then about a third scratch. Nice. Very complicated. You pour it in the bucket. Hold on, that's only half of the stuff. Alrighty, and then fill it up with the scratch. Very complicated process. That's right. Yeah, pour it in the bucket. Now then, this is our high-tech, fancy strainer setup here. It's a bucket lid. I cut a hole in it, and it's got 1/8 inch hail screen, or whatever you want to call it, on it. And I used some sheet metal screws and screwed it on there. You clip this on the bucket, turn the bucket over, set it on that little rack. Water goes in the thing, and then you feed them. You don't feed it to them soupy. See if I can set y'all up. The answer is no, I can't. But this is heavy. Yeah, I can't. Hold on. Expensive foam perched on a bucket full of fermented feed on a piece of cardboard. Now I gotta walk across what y'all are sitting on. Anyway, then you just fill this up. I couldn't kind of stir it. Do not drown your feeding spatula. You wonder where it is for 3 days or however long. You just fill it up. And then you put a little bit. Remember how I said you have to put a little bit more in here? A little bit more. If you put enough, the way we do it, if you put enough fluid in there to fill it up, so you don't have to add more, it actually boils over. We had to do this because we got so many stinking chickens now. We were doing half this many buckets during the summer because it ferments faster. Let's see if I can catch that.